Hello students, today we are going to start your worksheet number 57, class 10th science for the date 18th November. As our light lesson is going on, now today we will study the refraction of light. In earlier worksheets we studied the reflection. Today we will start refraction. There is a slight difference between the both of these, reflection and refraction. So what is refraction? It is the bending of light when it enters obliquely from one transparent medium to the another. जब एक माध्यम से दूसरे माध्यम के अंदर लाइट जा रही है तो किस तरह से जो है बेंड हो जाती है उसको जो है अपवर्तन कहा जाता है. अब यहाँ पर जो है स्पीड ऑफ लाइट वैक्यूम के अंदर जो होती है इट इज़ 3 × 10⁻8 मीटर पर सेकेंड, मतलब कि लगभग 3 लाख मीटर प्रति सेकेंड की रफ्तार कहा जाता है. एंड कॉजेज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन की अगर हम बात करें तो देयर इज़ अ चेंज इन स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. दैट मीन्स व्हेन द लाइट इज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम वन मीडियम टू अनदर देयर विल बी अ चेंज इन स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. सो हाउ इट हैपन्स वी कैन सी दिस फ्रॉम ए ग्लास स्लैब. यू कैन सी PQRS इज़ ए ग्लास स्लैब. एक कांच की जो है स्लैब ली गई है. यहाँ पे एक लाइट रे आ रही है जो कि AB इंसिडेंट रे है जिसको हम कह रहे हैं, वो एक पर्टिकुलर एंगल के ऊपर जो है ग्लास स्लैब के अंदर जा रही. तो यहाँ पर हमारा मीडियम 1 जो है एक ये हो गया जिसको कि हम एयर कह सकते हैं, और दूसरा मीडियम क्या हो गया हमारा ग्लास स्लैब हो गया. नाउ व्हेन द लाइट इज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम एयर टू ग्लास इट इज़ दिस नॉर्मल N1 इट इज़ यू कैन सी बेंडिंग टूवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल. तो ये एक पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है कि जब भी वेन एवर द लाइट एंटर्स फ्रॉम एयर इज रेयर मीडियम एंड ग्लास इज डेंसर मीडियम. सो वेन एवर लाइट इज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम रेयर टू डेंसर मीडियम इट विल बेंड टूवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल. अब ये ग्लास स्लैब के अंदर ही जब ये लाइट ट्रैवल करती है और दूसरे एंड पे जाती है तो वहाँ पर भी हमने एक N2 नॉर्मल 2 ड्रॉ कर लिया. नाउ यू कैन सी व्हेन द लाइट रे इज कमिंग आउट इट इज़ नोन एज इमर्जेंट रे and it is again making the angle with the normal, but now you can see the angle made at normal is away from the normal. So now what is happening, the light is going out from glass to air. That means from denser to rare medium. So whenever a ray of light is going from denser to rare medium it will bend away from the normal, and whenever it is going from rare to denser it will bend towards the normal. तो ये दो पॉइंट आपको याद रखने हैं. उसके बाद में जो है you can see how much bending has taken place. If there had been no glass slab then this AB light ray would have gone straight away, you can see from the dotted line, but because of the presence of glass slab it has bent and this is our emergent ray, that is CDLA. So this difference in the path of the light is known as lateral displacement. This is very important one. You have to make this diagram also, तो इसको बना के याद करना है. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of emergent. Now these are the points which you have to remember. Angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of emergent. यहाँ पे जो है इनका हमेशा बराबर होता है. And this lateral displacement depends on the refractive index of the material and thickness of the glass slab. On these 2 points. Now what law of reflection says, as we have studied refraction says, as we have studied the laws of reflection, the incident ray refracted and normal to the interface of two transparent medium at point instance all lie at the same plane like your reflection. And second is the ratio of sine of angle of incident to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of medium of and color of light. This law is known as Snell's law. So what Snell's law says, sine of angle I and sine of angle R are always constant. Next is refractive index. Refractive index, the ratio of speed of light in a given pair of medium, that is n is equal to speed of light in medium 1 and speed of light in medium 2. This is known as the ratio of speed of light in given pair of medium. दो medium के बीच में जब हम speed of light का ratio निकाल रहे हैं that is known as refractive index. Another term is known as absolute refractive index. When one thing is our fixed, then we calculate the refractive index which is known as absolute, like refractive index of medium with respect to vacuum or air. जब हमने जो है vacuum और air के context में निकाल रहे हैं that means speed of light in vacuum or air and speed of light in medium. So this speed of light in vacuum air is fixed and we can calculate this with the another medium. Now optical denser medium out of the two given medium having higher value of refractive index. जो ज़्यादा denser होगा that means उसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स भी ज़्यादा होगा. When light enters obliquely from ray to denser medium, it bends towards the normal, and when light enters obliquely from denser to ray, it bends away from the normal, which we have studied just now. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ डायमंड इज हाईएस्ट अंटिल डेट, दैट इज 2.42. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है कि डायमंड का जो है सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखते हैं. फाइंड द speed of light in glass if the refractive index of glass is 1.5 and C is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So we have been given the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Refractive index is 1 point. The formula which we have to use is n is equal to C upon V, that is speed of light in vacuum or air and speed of light in glass. So we have to find out the V. V is equal to C upon n. We put it the value which we have been given, and we found out that speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Second question. Write the laws of refraction. These are direct, which are there. Incident ray refracted and normal to the interface of two transmitters at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane, and the ratio of sine of angle and sine angle of reflection is constant for a given pair. This is also known as Snell's law. ये बहुत जरूरी है, याद रखना आपने. And then we have to draw the label diagram of a refraction through a glass slab, जो अभी आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से मैंने explain किया है. This diagram is very important, and you have to remember what is lateral displacement. Angle I is always equal to angle E. Such type of thing. Internal angles are equal and exterior angles are equal, which you have studied in your maths also. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.